How to disable YouTube Shorts. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable YouTube Shorts. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch YouTube app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. When you scroll down, you will see all the Shorts section. Simply, one by one, you need to select three dots and tap Not Interested. Follow the same step for all of these shorts. After that, refresh the page once. Again, you need to scroll down and continuously do this step for once or twice. Now, you need to completely close YouTube app and reopen. Refresh the feed once, and when you scroll down, you won't see the source section. So, in this way, the shorts are disabled on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.